Hello students, today I just want to provide you with a little overview of the many resources available through the Huntington University Library. So when you log on to the portal, there's a quick link to the library. You just click on that and you'll see the library page. And what I want to focus on today is the research guide that is available for business students. So if we click on Research Guide and then scroll down, Business Research, this has been specifically designed for business students, and there is a wide variety of resources available for you. Not only can you check out books, but you can utilize the databases for articles, there are videos, interlibrary loan. If we don't have a particular resource that you need, we may be able to get it free of charge for you through interlibrary loan with libraries that we partner with throughout Indiana and throughout the country. So make sure you utilize that service. Now, library staff, they truly do want to help you. Anita Gray is the Director of Library Services, and she or any of the library staff are always more than willing to assist you with any questions that you have. They have selected certain databases that are available that are most often used by business students, and this is just a time saver. You could, access these databases by going through the normal general library channel, but by going through the business research page, they have selected some of the most often used and most helpful databases for business students. So make sure you utilize that. In addition, they have supplied you with some useful websites that you can use to obtain information and data that you might need for a project or a paper. This is by no means exhaustive, but it is a good start. While we're here, this market research tab, there are a lot of resources available that provide you facts and data for international markets, U.S. markets, marketing students. This Claritas is just wonderful to drill down to get customer segments by zip code. Wonderful resource there, and all of these are free. Indiana market data, and then Northeast Indiana market data specifically. So these are all websites and resources available to you free of charge. You may be required in your classes to read journal articles, peer-reviewed journal articles, and reading research articles is just an overview with some tools and tips on what to do when you're reading a journal article to better understand it, to look and see how they are organized. So that resource is there for you. Writing research papers, again, just a lot of different resources on how to conduct a literature review, write an annotated bibliography, which is a great way to summarize an article and keep track of it for future use. Then we also have APA. I typically recommend that you, especially if you're a graduate student, that you purchase the 6th edition APA manual. But there are also some free resources on this page that you can go to, as well as some common both in-text and reference list citation examples for common types of reference sources. So make sure you use the APA page. And then the plagiarism page gives you some tips and tools on how to avoid plagiarism, how to cite your sources so that you avoid plagiarism. There's some tutorials on this page as well, so make sure that you take a look at that. Also, there are leadership associations and forums that you can check out if you want to check their web pages for jobs, for career information, for other resources that they make available. This is a good site to visit as well. Video resources, these are all business-related videos that are available to you. And again, these resources just supplement your education, and again, no additional charge for those. So I hope you will utilize the library, utilize this business research page that has been created specifically for you, and also don't hesitate to contact the library staff if you have any questions or need further assistance.